Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm working on my mom's '05 Chevy Avalanche here, and in an era where things are built using cheap plastics, you're not going to get too much life out of them, so we're going to replace this assembly. Why? Well, because when it goes down the road, this thing wobbles. You might ask why that happens. It's because the clip that's supposed to attach right over here is broken off. You can see right here there's like a little groove where the plastic used to attach. So yeah, cheap plastic breaks after a decade and a half. So all we're going to do here is we're just going to turn this counterclockwise, push this in, pop that out, the amber, do the same on this little side marker there. Hopefully you have gone to your auto parts store and ordered one of these. But new housing comes wrapped in plastic. Rip all this garbage off. Boom. Get that. Line that up with those slots. Look at that. Locked in place already. Just going to shimmy this in here. On the end, there's that little. Then there's that little clip, and it's gonna fit right into that slot there. So you're gonna try to push that in. Can't really show it all that well, but then you're gonna other clip I showed earlier, which is right. That other clip I showed earlier, which is right there. Make sure that slides into there. Click that in. Ooh. See, I missed that. So we're gonna push it in there. Click it in there. See that? A lot more sturdy now that it clips in on both sides. So I had to do this on both sides of this rig because both those clips broke at the same time. Look at that. You're looking slick again.